how to reset your Roblox PIN if you forgot it. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So all you basically gotta do is scroll all the way down, go to help over here, as you can see right there where my mouse is. Then this page will pop up and you want to click on Roblox account. So click on there. Once you've clicked on it, under the account settings section, you will find I forgot the PIN. So here it says at the time user and their parents guardian will not be able to manually reset the PIN if it is forgotten. Customer support will need to assist with resetting forgotten pins. So you want to reach customer support and use this contact form in order to get your PIN back or reset it. So here you want to add your contact information. So your username, first name, email address, confirm your email address, and then issue the details. So what device are you having the problem on? I'm on PC. I don't think this really matters what you choose though. But yeah, I'm on PC, so I'm going to select that. Then the type of help category, you want to select account hacked or can't log in. Then over here, you want to select account PIN. So now Roblox knows exactly who you are and what your problem is about. And then you want to add another description of your issue, that you have forgotten it or whatever, and then submit it. And hopefully in a couple of hours or a couple of days, they will get back to you and fix it for you. So that's basically it, and I'll see you next time.